Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to copy the authentication token code that we just received from the Blynk app to our ESP32 code. Now, as you can see, this is the authentication token and I'm copying it. Now, you need to go, let's call this final code. Now, you need to go here and you need to edit this authentication token with your own code. And you need to edit the Wi-Fi SSID with your Wi-Fi network name and go to properties, copy the name, and paste it here. Okay, let's go back. Let's copy the Wi-Fi network name and the password. Now we have our code up and ready. We need to go down and change the refresh rate to 2 and 5 seconds. As you can see here in the set interval function, change this to 2 and this to 5. Now verify your code. Now done compiling. In the next lesson we are going to hook up our ESP32 board and we are going to upload the code and start receiving the values from sensor, and we will see how the Blynk app will control the relay and how everything will work. Thanks for watching this lesson. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.